si Sir. Diba? Sir, balita ko gusto mong handlugan yung Royals ng talento. Balita ko gusto mo daw kong handlugan yung buong Royals ng talento mo. Anong hinanda mo sa akin?
Ang hinanda ko sa lahat ng Royals ay Leaving Yesterday Behind by Keno.
Leaving Yesterday Behind by Keno. Ano siya? Parang pala si Sir Gabino.
Baliti!
Anong pangalan mo?
Baliti mo.
Balete. O, Sir Gabino. Balete. Our tower. Nang tanggal na.
Wala pa kanya! Kaya mo na yung may matira.
Bayan din ka.
Dalawang first timer na lang, no? Dalawang first timer.
Okay.
I never really tried to hold my life apart. And I always let the past collide.
Dalawang agad.
I realize that would be all. And you let it go. Make me go higher. So now I'm leaving yesterday behind. Finally I made my mind. Let the memories stay alive. Leaving yesterday behind. 'Cause I was like in my life. Way I never will forget. I never stopped to think yesterday.
DJ, wait lang. Dalawa.
I tried to let it interfere. The choices I will make from that way.
Sir.
How I'm living.
Woo!